The Data Productivity Cloud makes it effortless to operationalize your data pipelines using Maia to ensure that we follow the best data ops practices. As we have seen in previous videos, Maia helps us enforce naming standards through context files and assists us in testing and monitoring pipeline health. Context files can do even more. They can also enhance our Git experience with Maia. When working in the canvas, you can add context files that define your team's rules, naming standards, and environment-specific configurations. These files are stored within your Git repository under .matillion/Maia/rules and are branch specific. That means that each environment, for example, development, staging, and production, can maintain its own tailored standards and configurations. Because these context files are version controlled, every team member automatically gets the same context and rules when they pull the latest branch. Any changes to standards or rules can be reviewed, merged, and tracked just like regular code, making them merge-friendly and fully auditable, therefore creating an integrated, seamless experience. Together, this makes context files a powerful way to extend Git from simple version control into a foundation for collaborative, standardized, and environment-aware development. Maia can streamline your Git workflow by helping commit pipeline changes and push them to your branch, ensuring that every update to your pipelines and standards stays synchronized across the team. This can all be achieved through natural language prompts in the Maia chat box. So let's look at this in action using a pipeline we have recently been working on that builds a delay probability table. Inside of this branch, we have our context files that Maia helped us to create, as well as our pipelines that contributed to and actioned our delay probability table. We have not yet committed and pushed all this work to our Git repository yet, so we should probably do this now. In this case, I am using a bring your own Git setup with this project. It's worth noting that Matillion supports bring your own Git for Enterprise Edition customers, and our recommendation is for customers to use the bring your own Git setup as it has a lot more functionality. My Git repository has already been set up, so all I need to do is commit and push my changes. Let's do that with the help of Maia by opening up the Maia chat window and asking it to commit and push my changes to this pipeline. To start, Maia will validate the pipeline, then ask for permission to commit and push the changes. I will allow Maia to do this for the entire session. After which, Maia quickly commits and pushes. It also adds a fitting commit message. It's worth noting that Maia can also help generate commit messages when you are committing and pushing manually as well. We can see a confirmation message from Maia confirming that it has finished committing and pushing the changes to our branch. As you can see, with Maia's help, we can implement best practices and ensure we adhere to organizational data ops standards effectively. If you want to learn more about Maia and its capabilities, go to matillion.com/Maia.